Hi, I'm Rachel Pope, physical therapist and certified yoga teacher with friendyyogatherapy.com. Today I'm going to show you a technique for taping, kinesio taping or rock taping the belly for support. Okay, so this is going to be probably the simplest method to do it. If you need more guidance as to how to prepare the tape, the benefits, etc., you can look for my other video on kinesio taping in general. So what you're going to do, if you buy KT tape, sometimes it comes in pre-cut sections. I like to use a full roll because then I can decide how long I want the tape to be, okay? So for this technique, we're going to create sort of a belly sling like this, okay? So because you're going to put the tape on stretch, you want to sort of measure how much tape you're going to need, but then kind of cut it back a little bit because you're going to be stretching the tape over the skin, okay? So I'm just going to cut the tape here, and then I'm going to round the corners. That just helps to prevent the tape from peeling up quite a bit, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the tape right on the skin. So I'm gonna show you my belly here, okay? So 39 weeks pregnant belly right here. This is a great taping technique if you're having round ligament pain or if the belly is just sort of feeling really, really heavy. And what you're gonna do is take the tape approximately in the middle, tear the paper. You're gonna peel the paper away just a little bit on each side, being careful not to touch the tape with your fingers if you can avoid it at all. And then you're gonna give the tape a good amount of stretch, okay? And I'm actually gonna go sort of at the pant line here. I'm gonna put that right underneath my belly, okay? So that's gonna go there. I'm gonna rub it a little bit to heat activate it. Okay, get that in there. And then I'm gonna do them one side at a time. So I'm gonna take the tape off. Notice I'm peeling the paper, but I'm not touching the tape, okay? I'm gonna grab the side of the tape here. I'm still holding the paper so that my fingers aren't on the tape. I'm gonna give it a good amount of stretch and kind of pull the tape up, laying it down. Okay, so I'm getting the stretch from the middle part of the tape. And then the last inch or so, I'm not gonna put any tension at all. So I'm just gonna peel the rest off and just paper off to light is sort of what the kinesio taping folks say. Just kind of lay it down nice and flat. Okay, you don't wanna put stretch all the way on the ends. You want it to be able to stay on the body, and that helps it to stay a bit better, okay? So then I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Again, I'm gonna peel the paper almost all the way just to the end, and I'm gonna pull the tape up and around. I'm gonna get that heat activated in there. And then again, taking off the rest of the paper, no tension on the very tail end, okay? So you can play with, you know, how much tension you want, how far out you want that to be, how close in you want that to be, etc. But this is sort of your most basic taping technique to support a pregnant belly. You can certainly check out some of my other videos if you're looking for more on other techniques. I'm going to be doing quite a few of them.